But what is missing is the faith. Not blind, but enlightened faith. If you have enlightened faith, then it works. There's one gentleman working in London airport. He's an Indian, but I think he was looked after by some Western foreigner people. Very good man. So he cannot come to programs, he's very busy and all that, he cannot. But if I am in the airport, he knows I am there. Some people try to trouble him. So he said that, don't trouble me, my mother is very strong, and don't trouble me. They wouldn't listen. 3 of them. And 3 of them next day lost their jobs. They said, why? I said, we don't know. The boss told us you get out of jobs. We don't know how we lost our jobs. And still today they haven't got jobs. He said, I told you. He said, who is your mother? Let us meet her also. You see, this is what has happened to us. Sorry, we did this. But nothing works out now. So you must have full faith in Sahaja Yoga, in me, and in yourself. Those who do not have faith in themselves, how can they have faith in others? This is another one thing you must understand, that you have tremendous powers. Tremendous powers. If you have faith. You just pray. Mother, I want this gentleman to be cured, or this lady to be cured. It will be cured. You don't have to even touch that person. But your faith. Like yesterday they brought one lady. I was very busy, I was talking, doing this. These are the only 2-3 days when I have to really work very hard with other problems. And I couldn't see her. I said, why don't you go and cure? You can cure. Why should any Sahaja Yogi suffer from anything when there are other Sahaja Yogis? Why should I cure anymore? You all just put your hands and see if you can cure or not. Even your prayers are so powerful, you have no idea. Just pray. You have got the parsha in your hand, and nobody can harm. And you have got the hand that can bless others. You have got that. You start your generosity and see, the Lakshmi will flow. But if you are not generous, calculating each and every pie, finished. Why should you? The Lakshmi will serve you. Know your powers. As Sri Ganesha knew it very well. He never bothered. Even with an elephant head, he managed so many things. With human heads, you should manage much better. But you need elephant heads. Then another thing he has, that he is a satisfied person. Extremely satisfied. And what he eats is the modaka they have given me just now here. Is the modaka he eats. So, that means that he eats something which is substantial, which has got all these dry fruits and everything in it. That's what he eats. And that is one capacity he has to eat, because you can please him by giving him things. But mine is the other way around. I can't eat much and you want to give me. I don't know, he has taken all my capacity to eat, I think. But he can eat well. And whatever you eat, if you think of him, Sri Ganesha, I offer you this food also. You will never find dearth of food at all. Never. Anything you want, like the other day it was very hot. They said, Mother, cool it down. I said, all right. As soon as I cooled it down, left to the right, Sri Ganesha comes up. So he came with full force. He cooled it down and drained and drained and drained. Brought water also, because there was no water in these streams. You had to do your foot soaking, so water came out. And water testing, in one thing, how much happened? He tested you, he saw you, nothing happened. Even a little tent was not blown off. It was all fun. This is what is that you are also a testing ground for others. Immediately you will know what sort of a man is. You are so powerful. Use your powers.